Hello again, this is Andy with Handy Andy, and we're out running through a pre-listing repair bid, and this is LP siding. And so on the exterior, we'd be repainting the exterior, one coat, same color. We're gonna place these 3 bottom rows of siding across here. The window sill and nose and frame in this garage front window was rotted as well. So you got a new roof and 6-inch gutters, but the gutters need to be cleaned. So you got the same issue with siding up over here. We're gonna try and beat the weather here. So she's got rotted corner boards here and here, bottom 3 rows here, bottom 3 rows on this right section. Same thing over here. On the porch, really cute porch. Like, this house is gonna sell quickly as soon as this work is done. Got a few cracks and splays in the concrete that we need to fill. And then we'll repaint this thing a dark color, like, I'm tired, so forgive me, but like black fox or something dark to contrast against this gray. There's a little bit of rot right here under this soffit. This gutter's leaking, so we need to seal that. What we try to do, we have a program that we combine with where we will go ahead and do the repairs and get paid at closing. So it helps a homeowner like this realize the full market potential of the property without having to come out of pocket. And she's got a lot of equity here, so it kind of makes sense to do it. She's done some siding replacement on this chimney, but she's got about 8 more rows on the face of the chimney up in this area right through here. And then she's got 8 rows on the left side right here. A little bit of work in the back to do. Not a ton, but paint cleanup will make a huge deal on this house. It'll be ginormous, in the words of President Trump, or something to that effect. This storm door, will just take this off of here, just lose the door. On the interior, we're just gonna go through real quick. You can see all these different types of flooring in here, and it kind of stinks, but the colors are terrible. It's not gonna help on a resale. The only flooring that was decent is in here, and they didn't finish it properly. Whoever installed these floors, see the corner cuts back here? When you're hiring a handyman to do your floors in this neighborhood, a lot of the Hispanic guys, they'll say they can do this stuff, and they can't. Now, some can. My brother's from Mexico, and he does a phenomenal job, but you need to cut under the jamb and slide the wood under for a proper finish. And they did this all the way throughout the house. So all of this laminate in here will be ripped out and replaced. The carpet will be replaced with a new beige carpet. Ceiling walls and trim paint throughout. This was a rental, and as the owner was relating to me, you know, she didn't realize it. She signed a lease with 2 nice people. They moved about 10 people in here. They were renting rooms, whatever they were doing, and they totally trashed this house with animals and kids and everything else. So it was a disaster getting them out of here. We'd paint this a contrasting color black fox, lose this TV mount. On a lot of houses, we'll come in and we'll cut this brick down so the TV can set at the proper height. We're not doing extra stuff in here. So we'll pull up the quarter round, we'll pull up the laminate, we'll save the quarter round to reinstall once we put the new laminate down. The cabinets back here, we'll paint these out. The countertops will get changed in here. The homeowner is actually going to take care of that piece. We can go ahead and get a microwave and a stove for here. We'll spray the ceilings. We'll spray areas like here. By the time we pull that out, we got to spray the shelving anyway because it's nasty. They got a full bath in here. You can kind of see how they didn't do this threshold properly. So it really should be to the center of the jamb right there. Tile's decent enough. We'll just clean it up with paint. There'll be things that we'll leave from the inspection report. But again, you can kind of see, like, this person didn't even do the pantry, and then he cut short. See the back of the door right there? And you can see where the joints are all popping out here in the main floor, and there's a few pieces pop. This is just very, very cheap flooring. It just won't help this house at all. And then back here, the renters had some dogs, and this all has to be ripped out and deodorized. There's a piece of shelving that's impeding this door, so we'll pull that out of there. Everything will get painted. These cabinets in here can get painted. These cabinets right here will get primed and painted. Oak cabinets right now is a kiss of death. Probably in 10 years it'll all be back again. It's got a lot of trim in here, chair rail. This floor will come out. Again, everything will get painted a neutral color, like crushed ice, something really cool that we like. That's neutral and different. Amazing gray, unbelievable gray. I'm trying to think of a few. There's some grays just still that are in vogue. All these walls up here, we'd love to do all the light fixtures. I'm just not sure we're gonna have the budget for it, but new carpet up here. This door back here, they put 2 locks on it for some reason. The baby room will save, but if someone wants to, there's a doorway that goes into the master right here around the corner. If they really want to wall that off, we could, but there's no reason to. Cheap fans like this should really be swapped out. Obviously, this room gets primed and painted. So there's a chunk of work to do in here. In the master, we'll take the shower door down. I've got to find the proper, I don't know, caulk sealant, something that I can color match to this fiberglass. You can see right here, someone drilled and put something in. Take the shower doors down, paint. Master bedroom, they broke this jamb right here. And the rest of it is honestly just paint and stuff. You got a little shot of me there, my goofy hair. This closet, they never finished the floor, rip it out, put it back to carpet. The office area downstairs will go to carpet. This master bathroom, we got to change this vanity. The vanity is cracked out, it's too short anyway. And the countertop is all cracked out from heat. And people, if you have cultured marble at home and you got someone who's using a razor, shaving with a straight razor, don't bang it on the fiberglass. That's what makes that cracks in the hot water, so just don't do it. But it's nice trim in here. Again, in the master, master shower, we'll take this door down too, in this crazy fan. But paint carpet will clean this place up a lot. And then the same thing outside. This house is in a great school district. So we're fortunate to have this program to be able to help people out. Because otherwise this house is getting dumped to an investor and they're not going to pay anywhere near what the retail value of the house is. So she'll spend a little bit. It won't be as painful because we'll be carrying it until we get closed. This room down here will go to carpet. This is a nice little office area. And then if a buyer wants to come in and have us match the floor, we can do that or whatever. The cool thing about Handy Andy is we pretty much do everything. There's an outlet I think I missed somewhere in here. I think it's over here that's broken and burned out right here in this corner. So one call literally can do it all. But we partner with certain real estate agents. We're not doing it for everybody. But if we know the real estate agent, and they've been in business for a while, we like the project, we can come in and do this project and go ahead and get paid at closing. And it just makes it easier for everybody. Anyway, I'm Andy with Handy Andy. You can reach us in the office, 470-485-8524. Sometimes you can catch me directly at 770-265-9017. See you at the next house. Bye for now.